Hello everyone, this is Ron Collins from Lacy SEO, and today I'm going to tell you how to rank locally in 2003 and beyond. So stay tuned. All right, the first thing you do is to understand how to find good keywords. First, make a list of important, relevant topics based on what you know about your business. Then take those topics and find relevant keywords. If you already have a website, you can use Google Analytics and Google Search Console to find keywords that you already rank for. Second, you want to discover new keywords by using a keyword research tool like Moz, Ahrefs, or Google Keyword Planner. Now, I use Google Keyword Planner and Rank Tracker from SEO Power Suite. Next, you want to develop 2 or 3 main keywords for the home page. Now, if you are a moving company in El Paso, Texas, your main keyword may be moving company in El Paso, Texas. Always add the city where you're located in the keyword phrase. Now, a secondary keyword may be mover. And that would translate to El Paso mover. You don't have to get real slick and clever with these keywords. It's real simple. All right, next you're going to develop keywords around your services. Now, let's say you have you're a dentist and you have many services available. One of them may be implants. Now, the term implants could have different meanings. That could refer to breast implants or a pacemaker. To obtain the correct results in the SERPs, that's the search engine results pages, you want to use terms like dental implant. So that gives Google an idea exactly what type of implants you're trying to rank for. Next, you want to create pages for your keywords. Once your service keywords are nailed down, create separate pages for each service keyword. Next, you want to optimize the content for each page. Now, I use Page Optimizer Pro, which is an on-page SEO tool that helps produce perfectly optimized pages for Google. Now, based on your competition, this tool will help you pinpoint areas on your page that you need to improve. Next is internal linking. Internal link all service pages to other relevant pages such as blog pages with exact name anchors and variations of your keywords. Like we see here, these are all red underlined anchor text, internal linkings to other parts of the website using exact names that we want to rank for. Next is blog posts. Now, blogs are a great way to show that you are an expert in your field. You can write a blog post weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, just be consistent. Right, you want to create, well, here's an example of some blog pages that I created for my website. Next, you want to create a Google Business Profile listing. Fill this out completely with the exact name of your business, address, and phone number. This should exactly match what is on your website. Add all your services, which should exactly match your services on your website. You can create your own question and answer section and create 6 Google Business Profile posts. Then post 4 to 5 times a week using your top 5 keywords. Now, you can use an app like Local Falcon to track your progress. This is the one that I use. Next, you want to add citations. You want to add at least 60 high quality citation sites with your NAP, that's your name, address, and phone number, exactly the way is listed on your website and Google Business Profile. Okay, next you want to create videos. Create YouTube videos for your local keywords and services and include links to the relevant pages on your website. It's also a good idea to make a video based on your blog post and embed the video in the post. Include a Google review link in your YouTube description also. So this is an example of an embedded YouTube video in the blog post that you created. Now, if you do all these things correctly, you will outrank about 75% of your competition. So what about the other 25%? If you are a dentist, a doctor, a lawyer, electrician, plumber, or any other business that is very competitive in a large population city, here's what you need to do to get to the top. This is what I do. There may be other choices out there from other SEO specialists, but this has been successful for me. First, you want to have a press release. By disseminating an excellent press release in the form of an article, you're not just spreading the news about you and your business, you are gaining authority and relevance. So submit a new press release about every 3 months. Branded social media. You want to create social media accounts for your business and brand them with your business profile, which links back to your website. Now, you may already have some of the well-known social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are certainly important to have, but I don't create those social media platforms for our branded social media accounts. We create 50 social media profiles for our clients, such as About Me, Gravatar, BuzzFeed, and Tumblr, just to name a few. Geo Networks. This is something fairly new that I've been using. This is a series of properties and Web 2.0 accounts built for a business location rather than a brand. So if you have a Google Business Profile listing, you want to add all the location and geographical relevance that you can for better ranking. So you create geo-relevant articles for your business location on properties such as Google Sites, Wix, Strikingly, and several others. We do about 10 Geo Network accounts. Now, personally, I don't do backlinks for clients. Backlinks, if you can afford to hire a service to create high domain authority backlinks for you, then they will help, but that can be expensive. Now, like I said, I don't really actively do backlinks for my clients, but I still rank them. I recently ranked a new lawyer with a new website and Google Business Profile for their main keywords in a city of 680,000 people with over 200 competing lawyer websites and Google Business Profiles. I ranked their Google Business Profile #1 for the main keyword in a little less than 6 months. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe if you got something out of this. Contact me for any information, and I'll see you next time.